how to make children write. First, you don't teach A, B, C, D. No. First to write, we have to teach children something else. So first we have to teach a straight line. This is a straight line. So teach children to repeat these straight lines like this. These are the straight lines. Then we can teach a sleeping lines. Sleeping lines. This is a sleeping lines. And next, teach them left slanted line. These are the left slanted lines. Left slanted lines. And next, let's go with right slanted line. Right slanted line. Right slanted line. So these are the things initially we have to teach to our children. So let's recap what we have learned. What kind of lines? This straight line. Straight line is also called a standing line. So standing line, sleeping line, and left slanted line and right slanted line. So these are the initial things we should teach. Now let's see what are the letters can we make by using these lines. So let's see. So now let's write the letter A. So this is the letter A. So we can make with the lines which we read till now. So one right slanted line, one left slanted line, and one sleeping line in the middle. This makes a letter A. Next, let's see some more letters. Next, the letter E. Okay, let's see how can we write this. One standing line and 1, 2, 3 sleeping lines. Isn't it easy to teach children? So let's go to another letter. So this is letter F. So let's go with this. First, a standing line and 2 more sleeping lines. 1, 2. This is letter F. And one more letter. Letter H. Now, how can we do this? One standing line, one sleeping line, one more standing line. Makes the letter H. And next, the letter I. This is the letter I. Let's do it with our lines. One sleeping line, one standing line, and one more sleeping line. This is the letter I. And next, the letter K. This is the letter K. Let's see how can we write this. One standing line, one right slanted line, one left slanted line. This is the letter K. And next letter is L. So let's see how can we do. One standing line, one sleeping line. This is L. And next letter M. One standing line, one left slanted line, one right slanted line, and one standing line, which makes N. Next, the letter N. So now we write letter N. This is a standing line, one left slanted line, and one more standing line, which is letter N. And the next letter is T. Now let's see how can we do this. One sleeping line and one standing line. This is letter T. And the next letter is V. Now how can we do this? One slanted line, that is left slanted line, and one right slanted line. This is letter V. And next the letter X. X can be written as one left slanted line and one right slanted line. Isn't it easy? And next letter is Y. Y. And this can be written as one right slanted line and with the small left slanted line attaching to it. Then next letter is Z. So you all know this. Come on, tell with me. One sleeping line, one right slanted line, and one more sleeping line makes the letter Z. So now, till now we saw a straight line, standing line, a sleeping line, right slanted line and left slanted line. So let's see what are the letters we have learned so far. A, E, F, H, I, K, L, M, N, P, V, X, Y, Z. So these are the letters we learned using these shapes. So if this pattern you will make your kid to read or write, he can easily write the letters. Instead of teaching them directly, first make them to learn all these lines like standing line, sleeping line, right slanted line and left slanted line. They can able to write all these words.